Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly dollar yen, I'm still looking at this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and I still think we're in a wave 5, which I believe will go up to one of these two fib extensor levels, which I think at the 157.5 area is the most likely place for this to end a wave 5. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this is the end of a wave 3. I think this is an ABC right here of wave 4. I believe that this is actually a 1, 2, 3, and I still think there's a lot of upside potential left to this move. I believe we're in the middle of a wave 3, and I don't even really think the wave 3 is over yet. I still believe the 157.5 area is the most likely place for this to go. So going down to the daily, on the daily time frame, I could potentially see this making a move down, but even if it does, I think it's just going to be a correction, and I think that it's going to go up quite a bit further, just like I was showing on the much longer time frames. So even for that to happen, I really don't see any break of structure. It's definitely still making higher lows ever since we had the end of a correction way back here. So for me, I am definitely personally still looking for longs in an uptrend on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour, we just had a big spike. I don't know if the Bank of Japan is trying to step in again or what, but I am for sure still looking for longs, and it actually kind of looks like 3 waves down right now. So if it actually does end up turning back up, and we already got this little spike, then I would definitely take that as a long for the potential continuation of the uptrend. It would have to make a pretty big move to the downside for me to start looking for shorts in a downtrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely looks like this could be a trend right here, like this is like a wave A. This kind of looks like it's a WXY of wave B. This spike right here could possibly be a wave C. So if this does start to turn back up, I would personally be looking for long still based on what I was showing everybody on the higher time frame. So if it turns back up, I would definitely be looking for longs at the end of these moves for the continuation of the uptrend. Now this is a big spike, and if it does start to drift down and really prove that we are going down on the higher time frames by breaking some significant structure on like the daily, then at that point I would definitely start looking for shorts in a downtrend. But I've still, even with this spike, see absolutely no reason to think that this is going down in a big way, and that this move down is anything beyond a correction to the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.